This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are answering the question, how do you apply builder gel in a bottle on natural nails? So let's get into all the magic. After removing all of your product, it's important to cleanse the nail plate so that you remove any natural oils from your natural nails, especially because this is a fill. Towards the bottom will be the area that will have most of those natural oils. So step one is to apply the base coat. And once you have that base coat on, you are ready for Pure Serenity Builder Gel. Firmly wipe the brush of all of its excess on one side. And first we are doing what is called the wetting layer. So you're going to want to do a thin coat to your entire nail. And then we are going to go in with what looks like a bead and build out that beautiful overlay. All products that I use for this fill can be found on www.madamglam.com. Now, I absolutely adore this vegan formula. I have never had my nails grow so long and strong, but with this three-part system, oh my goodness. And I love to call it that because you start with your base coat, which brings ultimate foundation. You go in with your Pure Serenity Builder Gel, and then you can use any color of your choice. It's very important that you cure for 30 seconds in between all of your steps and make sure that you have no undercured gel because that can lead to allergies. Now, with the wetting layer I did not cure, and I just went right in with that bead because as in the name, you can build that nail up with this builder gel in a bottle. Because this product self-levels so amazingly, I also tip my finger, as you see, just so that it can level to perfection, and then we don't have anything seeping on the sidewalls. Once you're happy with your overlay, you can put her in the lamp and cure her to perfection. It's very important once you cure to redefine your shape. So go in with your file. I have a beautiful file from Madam Glam that is 100-180 grit. And you just take that rougher side, shape her up to perfection. And because this is a soft gel, you can actually do all of the shaping with a hand file if you so desire. Now I'm going to repeat the steps on my other fingers. First, cleansing the nail plate, applying that base coat, curing that for 30 seconds, and then going in with my beautiful Pure Serenity Builder Gel, which you can only cure for 30 seconds and you have a perfect cure, but I like to do a full minute. It's also important to note when you are doing any form of overlay, do not forget your sidewalls. Sometimes we are so afraid of product seeping on the sidewalls that we do not put enough product in those areas. So going in with a fine liner, I am just ensuring that those sidewalls have the perfect amount of product. And do not fear, if you accidentally bulk out the nail in this stage, there is nothing to worry about. That is where our shaping and buffing will completely have you making the perfect canvas. And there you have it. This is my natural nail care routine using Madam Glam's gorgeous vegan polishes. I assure you, if you follow these steps, your nails will grow long and strong and you will surprise yourself with the length. It is shocking. I literally cut these completely down and within a couple of months, they are already so long and beautiful. And that's because these products still allow your natural nail plate to breathe and just provide the optimum surface for all of your nail art needs. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.